With this card I made the unusual decision to do the inside of my card first. So I've put two bears on, one is larger than the other, they're not supposed to be the same size, and I've got my happy birthday banner which I penned with my silver bullet. I was going to put this up on foam but decided not to in the end because of the bulk factor, so the bears were stuck down first and then just stuck the banner on the top, and I've just done it with little glue dots. That's all I've used for that. So that's the inside of the card done. Now I've got my front cut out and I've got little stitch marks embossed that I also did on my silver bullet, so that's done. And I have this peculiar thing which, first of all, I'm actually going to colour. Now I've got some London fog here, and so I'm not sure if I'm going to be brushing it on or whether I'm going to have to tamp it. So I've got summer sky here. I may need to go a little bit darker, I'm not sure. And I'm going to turn this over. Just going to tear off a piece of kitchen roll. Load this up. So what I need is my balloons. You see, you're not actually going to see much of this at all. There's just a little tinge on the side that you'll actually see. And I want to stick that in place. I tried one of the Xyron sticker makers and it was a complete waste of money. I'm making a right mess of delicate things like this. So my cheapy varnish is what's going to work. And I have another tiny, tiny, tiny little bear. Now he's actually going to go ever so slightly off of the bottom of the card. Okay, so he's going to go sort of like that. And I want to have my little lines going like so. There we are. That will do it pretty much. And since I've got it out, I might as well use this glue to stick him in place. Just going to go like that on the end there. Right, so now I have the bits which go into the holes. And I've got them cut out in different papers. I've got some really pretty papers that sometimes just get completely ignored because you wonder what on earth you're going to do with them. So I can put some glue in these gaps and it's literally just a case of popping pieces into place. This is really looking gorgeous. Now, the one thing I didn't know is whether I was actually going to put a pink in there. I haven't decided that yet. I cut it out because I had it, but I'm not sure I particularly like the big amount of pink there when all the others are sort of like bluey, green, and silver. So I wanted to see what it was like on the card. Okay, I think because I've got a pink background, I can get away with that. I just went through the scraps of fancy cards that I had. You know, we do a project, got lots of little bits left over, and I just cut everything out of that. Oh, isn't it pretty? Who doesn't like a bit of shine, hey? Okay, let's put the top onto my glue. So that will go on there, and I have a little woohoo sort of celebratory sentiment on there, and I want to put some colour on it. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a pink tinge. It just has a pink accent to it. Yeah, that will do nicely, because it always shows that more when you put it against the white, you'll see it more. There we are, so we're nearly finished. I finished the card off by adding some sparkly lines over the black lines. I've added a little bit of sparkly shadow in here and on the lettering. I've given the bears shiny black noses with little white highlights in on the outside and on the inside of the card. I will link the file below, and I will also link some more videos for you to watch up here. Take care, I'll see you again soon.